Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. As you guys have seen in all my recent videos, I put in flyers for the Blue Angels Model Fest into every one of them. That's on Saturday, September 14th. Well, that's next weekend, and you still have time to build something and bring it on down to the show. If you're anywhere near the Florida Panhandle, head on down to Milton, Florida. It's just outside of Pensacola and a little bit off of I-10. Bring some models for the show, or just check them out. Or maybe you're looking for some great deals from the vendors, old kits and all the goodies that they usually have. I'll add a link to my haul from last year's show where I found some really great deals. Or maybe you just don't have anything else to do that day. Come on down and check it out. There's also going to be raffles with some great prizes. There's going to be a food truck there. Come and talk to the other builders. Meet some of the local club members. No matter what you build. There's going to be armor groups and aircraft, figure painters, ship builders, and of course automotive builders. Rumor has it that the famous YouTube personality, Pappy Tinkers, will be there as well. But no word yet on the Tinker Dogs. While some of you big city folk might be thinking that this is just a small town show and might not be worth it, as you watch this video you'll see we have some big time talent around here in every category. One of my favorites was the pickup from Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Shaggy, the builder, he did an amazing job on that, and you really have to see it in person to appreciate all the details he put in. Go ahead, watch the movie again and judge for yourself. Or maybe you'll see a different favorite in here, like the radio station semi-truck that was hauling a sound booth with a hot tub on top. There's going to be more details about the show as well as contacts in the description down below. Or you can leave me a message and a comment if you need more details on how to get there or the hours or anything like that. I'll quit yakking now so you all can enjoy all these great builds and think about what you want to bring to the show.
I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna pick up what I want.
This is a flashback.